When people hear identity theft, they usually think about stolen credit cards or hacked bank accounts. But identity theft comes in many forms, many of which can be much more damaging. Today, we're breaking down 5 dangerous types of identity theft and how each one works. Financial identity theft is the one most people are familiar with. Now, that happens when someone uses your information to open new credit cards, drain your bank account, or apply for loans in your name. Now, many assume their bank or credit card company can fix it, but that's often not the case. This leaves victims with serious financial damage and few places to turn. Medical identity theft is less discussed, but just as serious. A thief can use your health insurance details to get treatment, prescriptions, or even surgery, leaving you with the bill and possibly corrupted health records. Criminal identity theft is exactly what it sounds like. Identity theft isn't just someone pretending to be you. It can mean using your identity or personal information in serious situations, like giving your name during an arrest. That can leave you with warrants or a criminal record you didn't even know about. And proving it wasn't you can be extremely difficult. Child identity theft often goes undetected for years. Now, that's when someone uses a child's personal identifiable information, or PII, to commit identity theft. Kids don't check their credit reports, so their social security numbers are prime targets for opening accounts, renting property, or applying for benefits. Now, this kind of fraud can go undetected until the child turns 18 and applies for their first credit card or loan. And last but not least, there's home title theft. That's when a criminal illegally transfers a property title without the homeowner's consent, effectively stealing the home ownership rights. From there, they might try to sell your property or take out a loan against it. I know this all sounds scary, but don't feel overwhelmed. LifeLock helps by monitoring for these types of threats, alerting you quickly, and connecting you with restoration specialists who help you every step of the way if you become a victim. LifeLock has answers to all your identity theft questions, because when you understand it, you can help stop it. Learn more at LifeLock.com.